மாணவர்களே ஆசிரியர்களே என்பதை
Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Saudi Arabia. A committed academic leader and administrator, Dr. Rajawali has held several important responsibilities, including syndicate and second member of Korea University Salem, member of various boards of studies, competition committee member, and member of affiliation, result crossing, and staff searching committees. He has affiliations and achievements of 20 and 20 minutes of 49. Contributions to teaching, research, academic administration, and scientific advancement, Dr. Rajawali continues to make a valuable contribution to higher education and research. On behalf of the management, faculty, and students, we extend our corporate welcome to our esteemed chief guest and express our sincere gratitude for gracing this graduation day with his august presence. Thank you, sir. Opportunity to present a very brief report highlighting the key activities and accomplishments of our college. PCW was established in 1970 with the main to education and it has gained a huge momentum for ranked within 1 to 100 rank in NIRF rankings under the college category for 5 consecutive years since 2018. Currently, it is placed within 151 to 200 rank. The exception of autonomous status to the college for a period of 10 years till 2023 to 2024 marks an important recognition of the institution's commitment to academic excellence and quality education. The institution has been recognized by DSIR award for the period 2026 to 2031. The college currently offers a diverse array of academic programs including 33 UG, 16 PG, and 13 research programs, 8 UGC sponsored career-oriented courses, 4 Bharatiya University approved certificate courses, 26 other certificate programs, 25 skill enhanced NPSC, NetSec, and banking service examinations, and the Center for Professional Studies offers foundation coaching for CA and CS aspirants in association with JK Shah Academy. 3 bilingual visibility journals first selects for
இந்த வாய்ப்பை வழங்கி உயர்கல்வி பெறுவதன் மூலம் ஒரு தனது மகள் சமுதாயத்தில் மதிக்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக உங்களுக்கு அர்ப்பணித்ததை நான் சொல்லிக்கொள்ள கடமைப்படுகிறேன். அதே போன்று ஆசிரியர்களின் பங்களிப்பு
வைஷ்ணவி ஜி, Varsha RM, she has secured 3rd rank. Nirmala P, Nithila M, Pavitra R, Shabdasri VL.
மேலும் வீடியோக்களை காண நவ் இந்தியா டைம்ஸ் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை மறக்காம கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.